management feature within the application, which is hosted on the same servers as our billing and timekeeping data. Firms can use our software as a hub for managing their clients' files, bills, and reports, etc. In this video, I'm going to show you how our native documents feature works. So if we go ahead and click on Documents and Documents, select the specific client matter you'll be wanting to upload a document for. We also have a search criteria here, and if you have any documents created, you can search via the tags you have saved under the document over here. I'm going to go ahead and click here and click on this matter. Now I can create a new folder here, or I can simply create a new document. Users can create subfolders within folders. So for example, if the user clicks on the new folder here and I create this, and if I open up this folder and I create another new folder, you can see here that I've created a subfolder here, and you can create as many subfolders as needed. Next, I can go ahead and add a new document from here. I'll choose the file over here, and I can add a description over here. This is just to give a quick explanation of the file to distinguish the document. This is useful when multiple timekeepers are accessing the same client matter documents folder. And here I can attach a tag. Now tags are super useful for making it easier for you to search through and sift through all the documents later on when you need to get to a certain document, as the TimeSolv search bar allows you to include tags when searching. After clicking save, you can see here that I can preview the file over here. And I can upload a newer version of the file here, and you can see a version history over here is also included. I can choose the file and add any notes that are needed. This is useful for including why you needed to update and what you have updated. And then I can edit from here, so I can again update the name, I can update the description, add any tags, and I can upload a new version from here too, and we have the version history down here below. And then if I click back and I click on this arrow here, you can delete the document, or you can move it to a different client and matter. So if I click on opened up this matter here now, and I can click here, move here, and a message has come up saying document has been moved successfully.